Hi guys, this is the new portable tent air conditioner of Autohome. This is the new model and I'm just want to show how we can use it in our camp. It has a power supply here. We can connect the power supply to the network, or if we have a power bank with us, we connect the power supply to the power bank, pressing the on-off button for 3 seconds and the unit starts operating. As you can see here, we have different modes: drying, night mode, fan mode and cooling mode. We can set up the fan speed and we have timer function as well. So with this unit there are two types of installations. First of all, we can install outside of the tent. Let me show you how. We use this plastic cover in the front. We connect it here, just turning around the unit and connecting these two pipes. So we have two pipes, the pipe for the cold air, and we leave this pipe inside the tent, and the other pipe that is taking the hot air from the tent here. We can lead these pipes whenever it is convenient for us, and we have the perfect conditions inside. So now let me show you another method of installation of this unit. When we need to put inside the tent, we take the other cover here, the back cover of the unit, as you can see. Again, we connect again the two pipes. First one and the bigger one. And now we put inside the tent and we close the tent, and we have these two pipes. So this pipe is moving the hot air outside of the tent, and inside the tent we have the conditions, the perfect conditions that we prefer, cool conditions, hot air here and the circulation air here. So we put them whenever it is suitable for us.